welcome back to my channel. For those people who are so new to my channel, let me introduce myself again. I'll never ever get tired. Well, my name is Raquel Joy. I live in Germany, in a very beautiful city called Hanover. Well, I love it here, and the people are so friendly. So guys, anyway, because this is a beauty channel, we're going to try and keep it real. I'm not gonna be hiding anything, guys. I'm going to be showing you some of my very good products that have really helped me to run away from wrinkles, just to keep my skin really glow, and some of the products that I've really been using for how long? For so long. And before we slide into it, grab something to drink. I will just give you a couple of seconds or a minute, and as Raquel, I'll just have water, and then I'll just keep waiting for you. Remember, water is life. Cheers, my lovely people. I will close my bottle, and then I'll be drinking while I am trying to demonstrate everything that I have for you. Well, I have my powder here. I normally like and I love to look good. So before I go in details, I'm using MAC just to have a little bit of, I hate it when I'm shining. So yeah, that's it. I think that's fine. And I also like to have very sexy lips. So I have my a little bit of some cherry from Victoria's Secret, and then I'll just have to apply just a little bit on my lips. How is that? I think it really looks beautiful. I love it. Even smells very nice. Well, these are the products that I have decided. These are the products from the Kiehls. Kiehls has been actually there for a very long time. Can I say since when? Since 1851. Guys, quote me. Kiehls has been in operation, or like since 1851. It has never done any harm, apart from doing all the best for our skins. So guys, I have never been so excited before. Like, I'm so flexible, so happy, so like honored just to present my products, or like the products that I've always used, and they have helped my skin really to glow and to keep it looking younger. You guys, you can write to me and leave some comments if you think what you think about my skin. I might be bragging, but it's not the case. Well, I'm just going to be showing you on what I start with. This is the Ultra Facial Cleanser. So, my lovely people, I'm going to just be giving the actual prices on how I normally buy everything here in Germany, in Hanover. So I'm going to start like in the same order, basing on how I start, because this is the cleanser. We start preparing the skin by cleansing the face. So I start with the cleanser from Kiehls. You can really see right up here exactly how the product really looks like from the picture. How you can really see the cleanser it costs €9.09. So it's actually, to me, because I'm saying like this is my 5-star product, I would say that's perfect. It's amazing. Though this is 75 mils, to some people it might be a little bit pricey, and depends on to everyone. So to me, I'm very comfortable because of what this product has actually done to my skin. I can't complain. And then I'm going to take the second product. I am super excited, guys. This is my favorite. If I don't have this, if I don't have it, I'm going to, like, I will get sick. Well, I'm not trying to, be too much, but this product The good thing is like it does the cleansing and also it exfoliates. So you might, if you run out of this, if you don't have this, then you have this one. It exfoliates the skin. Sometimes my friends ask me and they are asking, hey Raquel, what normally comes first? Do you exfoliate? How do you normally, there are some friends of mine from Sweden actually. Can I mention the name? You can write back to me and then tell me if I can mention her name. But anyway, yeah, so normally you can cleanse, you cleanse the face first and then you apply the mask or you exfoliate, and then you can go under, if you have the damper, the steamer, if you have the steamer, then you can use the steamer. So let me stick to the point. How much does this one go for? The gently exfoliating, brightly corrective, brightens and exfoliating daily cleanser. This goes, it costs 75.99 cents. I'm actually saying like it's a little bit highly pricey, but to me, I love it and I can save. I can run away from, you know, buying like bread and then I'll save for my product. So thank you so much, Kiehls. I do really appreciate. I love my exfoliator. Then this is the turmeric. If you haven't really checked my previous video from the turmeric, I actually made a video about the turmeric. It's actually, guys, let me just try to open it and I show you. Today I'm not touching any of the products inside. So this is my, you know, this is like the queen and this is the king. So I tell you, these two, I have to have them at home, like it or not. They cannot really run away from me. So the turmeric will go, it costs 35 euros 99 cents. I'll go to the toner. Definitely the toner is one thing that you normally have to think about is a toner should not have alcohol in it. So this one is all good for all skin types, and it's after cleansing, moisten a cotton pad with a toner and apply to the face, avoiding the immediate eye area, like right here. You have to be very careful. And the one thing that I love about it, it does not have alcohol. Then after when you you have toned your face, then you will run and get one of the serums depending on your age group. So for me, because I like my skin to look like very healthy and looking like glow, of course, definitely everybody likes a glowing skin, not when it's so dry and it's peeling. So I apply this, 2 drops out of it, and this goes for about 36.99 cents. And the Sister Vital, I call it my Vital Skin Strengthening Super Serum. This is anti-aging. So this one goes, it's a bit pricey. This goes for 54.99 cents. Imagine, they are the same, but it depends on what the ingredients that are inside, excuse me, the ingredients that are inside. The same size, but this one goes for 36.99 cents and this one is 54.99 cents. What a big difference. So anyway, and then just in case if I get any breakouts on my face, or like let me say if I have my I'm about to have those days in a month and I get some breakouts, I also use the same Herbal blue Herbal spot treatment. It's from the Kiehls. This goes to it costs 20 euros 99 cents. It's a bit pricey, guys. Look at how how much it is. 15 mils, but anyway, 20. This is the same as this. 20 euros, 20 euros. Amazing. And then this is my ultra facial cream. The reason it's called ultra is because of the UFV. Sometimes, guys, when I say some things, I'm sorry because I learned everything in Germany, so it's easier for me to to say them in German. But I am sorry. It's my channel. If you can't forgive me, then I don't know. Forgive me about that. Anyway, so this one, anyway, it's an ultra facial cream. How much does it cost? It costs almost the same as this, 20 euros 49 cents. And the good thing, if when you go to Kiehls and you haven't really decided, oh, should I buy this, should I buy that, they will always give you the testers, like to try out first. And if you think the products are getting well with your skin, and then you can go back and then purchase. So I was so happy and so eager to present to you my line from the Kiehls. Raquel, what do you think about the prices? Well, to me, according to how it works and the benefits that you normally, what I normally get from the products, I'm saying, like, well, they can cut down a little bit the prices. It's a little high, not that anybody can afford it. I know I used to be there when I never used to earn. I would say between 100, I would give it an 85%, because I also would love to save more. So Kiehls, I really have to say thank you so much, Kiehls, for supporting our skins and, you know, giving us the life to have the feeling of being a beautician and to feel the skin of, like, to feel of being beautiful. So my lovely people, I will close by saying thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe and to like if you do find this video very educative and very interesting, such that you don't miss out on my other coming new videos. Raquel Joy, your girl, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my other next videos. By the way, every Sunday I upload new videos. Bye, guys.